Hello and welcome. My name is Siam. In this project I will show you the full phase Firebase authentication and database system with Next.js. This is the Odyssey e-commerce platform. Here is the header section and header section will show you the feature product, and why choose the Odyssey. There is service section and feature product and customer say testimonial and new variable and footer. So there is the other product section. Here is the product section. You can filtering product or price range, something like okay. And if I zero, then reset filter. You can search filter, search product. There is the about section, and most things is we can log in. You can log in or register your email. I can log in with my Google. Continue with Google. So Google Authentication system. Now I have a option with add product, manage product and log out. If I go to manage product, there is you can change the product price, name or others, or delete something, and you can check the product details. So go to the product section. You can find the product. Again, manage product. I can add new product, something like that. So I can copy title and put the description here. Put the description here. Set price, rating, choose images or image, add tag, add product added successfully, and then go to the home page, product C, and all latest product show in here. And if I go to the view details, so product title, price, specification, tag, everything is showing. So thank you for watching, and thanks, welcome.